Welcome to the Defense World India. Here are the latest defense news brought to you. India delivers Pinaka multi-barrel rockets to Armenia. It has been reported that India has started delivery of highly capable Pinaka multi-barrel rockets to Armenia. The MRBL have been developed by Defense Research and Development Organization. Previous to that, India has also started delivery of Akash missile defense systems to Armenia. Armenia is trying to build its defense against Azerbaijan, which mostly procures Pakistani and Turkish weapon systems. The contract for Pinaka rockets with launchers, with a range of 80 kilometers, was signed 2 years ago. A unit of Pinaka can fire a salvo of 12 rockets in 44 seconds, delivering a massive volume of firepower to the target and area. The system is mounted on a 6x6 or 8x8 wheel truck chassis, making it highly mobile, enabling rapid deployment and repositioning in response to dynamic battlefield scenarios. Recently, France has shown interest in the Pinaka systems as well. Israel seeks Indian partners to produce Teaser missiles. Israel Aerospace Industries has announced the development of a new lightweight missile called Teaser, which it says is the first guided missile in the world using an external optical guidance without a homing sensor. Right now, all guided missiles use internal optical sensors. Teaser missile can be shoulder-launched, weighs less than 5 pounds, and most importantly operates without relying on the Global Navigation Satellite Systems (GNSS). The weapon is an ALOS or Automated Command Line of Sight Tactical, Affordable Infantry Weapon System. The range seems to be in 2.5 kilometers and in flight speed of 200 meters per second. INS Vajir meets a minor accident. INS Vajir is the fifth of the 6 diesel-electric attack submarine in the Indian Navy of Kalvari class. The submarine was launched in February 2023. The submarine was in news when it met with a minor incident near Goa coast when it collided with a wooden boat. Nicknamed Sand Shark, INS Vajir did not reported any major issues while 2 people on the boat sustained injuries. India plans to construct 3 additional Scorpene submarines in addition to 6 which have been delivered or are in the final stage of delivery. Pakistan tests Smash anti-ship missile. Pakistan Navy conducted a successful flight test of an indigenously developed ship-launched ballistic missile. The weapon system, with a 350-kilometer range, is capable of engaging land and sea targets with high precision. It is equipped with a state-of-the-art navigation system and maneuverability features. Smash missile will substantially boost the Pakistan Navy's offensive and defensive reach and anti-accessory denial capabilities. India has said that they have effective countermeasures against such missile as Mr. SAM medium-range anti-ballistic missile have already been integrated in Indian warships with area denial capabilities in excess of 100 kilometers. Thanks for viewing Defense World India. Please like and subscribe our channel to help you bring more interesting news.